Thank you for checking out my cooking channel. Today I'm going to make a beautiful chicken tikka thighs barbecued on an orange branch skewer. So first thing up, I'm going to make the marinade for the chicken. Chicken thighs, turmeric, ginger, garlic puree, pepper, roasted cumin, mace, nutmeg, cardamom powder, chili flakes, garam masala, lime juice, lemon juice, and some Indian spice oil, groundnut oil normally. So this is groundnut oil, but I've added my own roasted spice to it. This has got chilies, cumin, coriander, licorice sticks, curry leaves, all different types of chili actually, and it's wonderful, wonderful. Okay, enough of that. Yogurt. And give that now a good mix, just like so. Oh, those spices, the blend is absolutely sensational. And that's it. Every time I want to do a cooking sketch, bloody dogs. And leave that now to marinate for 24 hours. So my chicken is ready for the barbie, right? I'm using wood from one of my orange trees. I've had that on the barbie. Ooh. Right, so I've just trimmed it down. So what I'm going to do is to take these, pierce through it. Let's see if this works. Yeah. One. Take your time. You can use any citrus fruit tree, apple, pear, or you can just use a skewer if you don't want to be arty-farty, right? It smells incredible. And leaving it overnight is really the best thing. If you can't leave it overnight, you want to do it on the same day, at least 12 hours. And birds twittering in the background. We are in the bush. My house is bush all around me. It's nice. 5-minute walk to the beach. Not too bad for my friends out there in the snow. Just like so. Place it on the barbie. So, baste a little bit of butter on top. Coming along nicely, that. Himalayan pink salt. I didn't really season the marinade with salt because I wanted, for my preference, to put a little bit on the chicken as I grill and baste it. I've stabilized the end here with 2 kebab skewers because it kept spinning around. And you know what I would do in hindsight, thinking about it, I pronged 2 orange tree branches on either side, or maybe splice it like kind of that. So, you know, live and learn. It's all part of the process and part of the fun, isn't it? That's it, folks. Look at that. Smells and looks divine. Can't wait to taste. Right. Nice. Let's serve this up. So serving this with a saffron turmeric rice. Nice big family portion there. Pop the kebab on there. Sprinkle with some eggs. This is very subcontinent. Loved my time in the Middle East. All the chefs that I work with, Bangladeshi, Pakistani, Sri Lankan, every day in the kitchen would cook their own feast, and I would sit and have lunch with them. How lucky is that? And of course I get the opportunity to pick out their recipes and their knowledge. Nudie, but hey, why not? So what I put on there, eggs, shallots, watercress, just my touch, right? And some peanuts. Look at that. Imagine. One hell of a lunch that would be, wouldn't it? Wonderful. I feel like I'm back in the subcontinent right now. Fantastic. That recipe comes from my new cookbook, the Exotic BBQ Book, out in about a week's time. So you can find that on Amazon. Thanks for watching, folks. Don't forget to check out my social media, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Chef Sherlock Facebook page, of course, and don't forget to subscribe by clicking over my shoulder at the end of the video. And if you like the shirts and things, get them on my chef shop on my website, also on the icon at the end of the vid. Thanks for watching and see you next week. Bon appetit.